In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this map that I used for this report using Power BI Sheet Map. If you want to see how I created the whole report itself, the link to that video is on your screen. You can click on that. But for the map, we're focusing on that here. By default in Power BI Sheet Map, if you look at the map settings, you don't have the world map. You only have Australia, Austria, US, and UK. But in this particular report, I wanted to create the world map using Sheet Map. So for that, I used the custom map option and imported a TopoJSON file into this. So I'm going to be showing you that step by step. If you're new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is to download the map file. Go to this particular website, naturalearthdata.com, and click on downloads. Then here you have the option of selecting the size that you want. If you want large scale, you select this. If you want medium, you select this. And also the category that you want. I want medium, and the category that I want is cultural. So I select cultural. On this page, you click on download to download the particular one that you want. I want countries, so I'll click on download countries. Then save it using whatever term that you want. So I'm going to save this as map file. Save. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to this second website, mapshaper.com. In this second website, we are going to convert the zip file that we downloaded to a TopoJSON file, which is the file type that Power BI accepts. So I'll click on select, then click on the zip file that I downloaded, click open, and we currently have this. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on export and select the TopoJSON option, then export again. Then save this. So I'm going to rename this as map.json. Save. Now in Power BI, we have this shape map here. If you don't have this map showing on your screen, you can click on File, click on Options and Settings, Option, click on Preview Pictures, then enable this and click OK. It will require you to restart your desktop in order to apply that picture. Once you're done with that, in order to create the world map, click on the shape map, add your location. Location in my case is country. I'll add that. Then click on format. Where you have the map settings, expand that. Right now you can see that we have different countries but no world map. So click on custom map, browse, then select the map file that you created, the JSON file that you created. So click on that, open. Now you have this particular projection. You can select the projection that you want. You can select the epi-rectangular or the orthographic, which is like the round one. Scroll down to few colors, expand that. So for few color, I want this the saturation to be for mortality rate. So I have my measure, I'll add that here. So you can see that the different saturation of the color is showing the different mortality rate in that particular region. You can select the color that you want. So that is all for this particular report. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye.